Hello, students. I welcome you all to this fourth lesson of English literature for class 10th. Our today's topic is the poem Little Things. Little drops of water, little grains of sand, make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land. Little deeds of kindness, little words of love, make our world an Eden like the heaven above. Now, let me introduce you to the composer of this beautiful poem. This poem has been composed by an American verse writer, Julia Carney. She was born in Boston. This poem was first published in 1845. It is a simple children's song to explain that even little things are important. Let's review the first stanza. Little drops of water, little grains of sand, make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land. In the first stanza, the poetess is giving emphasis on the smallest and the simplest things in nature. For example, small drops of water are given no consideration, but when they come together, they form mighty ocean. In the same way, little grains of sand have no significance, but when they combine, they become vast desert and stretched land. Now let's discuss the second stanza. Little deeds of kindness, little words of love, make our world an Eden like the heaven above. In the second stanza, the poetess is saying that human actions and words are also important and have effects. It means that if we start helping others in whatever little way we can and speak gently to them, irrespective of their caste, color, creed, and nationality, then we may be able to make this world a worthy place to live in, like an Eden, which means paradise on earth and like heaven above. Now let's review the poem. The poem Little Things teaches us a very motivational lesson. In this poem, the poetess tells us that everything, no matter how small it is, has importance. She has given examples of things which are mostly considered unimportant, like drops of water and grains of sand. When drops of water gather, they form rivers and oceans, and grains of sand create deserts and land. Likewise, our little acts of kindness and little words of love can bring a huge difference in the lives of others and eventually make this world like paradise. Based on the explanation of the poem, here is your homework assignment, which is reference to the context. The first stanza is little drops of water, little grains of sand, make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land. Now, here are the questions given which you have to answer according to the explanation given in today's lecture. First is name the poem and the composer. Second, when was this poem first published? Third, describe this stanza in 2 to 3 sentences of your own. Your second homework assignment is again reference to the context of the second stanza. The stanza is little deeds of kindness, little words of love, make our world an Eden like the heaven above. The questions are elaborate the first 2 lines of this stanza in your own words. Second, how can we make our world an Eden? Thanks for watching the video. That's all for today. Till we meet again with our next video lesson. So take care and goodbye.